So we received many proposals from various companies on a Christmas gift for the Stark team this year, but they all felt incredibly boring. So we wanted to create something much more exciting that actually has a real-world use case. We love the outdoors and many of us ride enduro, so we've all experienced the hassle of keeping trails open from fallen trees and branches. And using saws isn't very inspiring. We thought, let's develop the best axe in the world. Perhaps a modern take on the Viking axe. So we created the TRAILSAVER, a 3D printed titanium axe made to keep trails open for everyone. And since we're so happy with the result, we'd like to offer a limited production batch of 1,000 pieces to our customers as well. It's 3D printed in titanium grade 23, which is normally used in medical and aerospace due to its incredible mechanical properties and purity. The blade is hand polished and sharpened. The grip is printed in a Voronoi pattern in order to make it strong and lightweight while providing an excellent grip. In the bottom of the axe there's a Varg head designed to help you open a cold bottle of beer after a hard day in the wild. We have numbered each axe and we'll keep an auction open till the end of this weekend, where it's possible to bid on each individual number. Let's see which number is the most popular. Perhaps 1, your race number, or 666, the number of the beast.